Hello there, my liquid soulmates. It's Kelly from Liquid Soul, and I wanted to introduce a series of workshops that I'll be doing starting in January. So the first one is going to take place on January the 11th in the afternoon, and that's a Sunday. And essentially, what these workshops are little energy meetings, and that's where we can come together. And the first portion of the workshop, for about 45 minutes, will discuss different things about energy. So, non specific modality energy work, it won't be specific to Reiki or any other modality, but we're going to discover just all different aspects of energy and kind of how to use it in our life. And then the second portion of the workshop, for about another 45 minutes, we'll go ahead and practice utilizing energy and how it impacts ourselves and each other and our environment. So, just to talk a little bit about energy very quickly, we all know it's based on science that our cells are made of molecules, and our molecules are made of atoms, and atoms are made of energy. And so our whole foundation of our being is made from energy. And we're all pretty familiar on, our bodies, like the denseness of ourselves. We know that we have to eat and sleep and exercise, or, we know how to take care of this. But often what we have overlooked or haven't been properly attuned with is how to maximize our energetic body to affect our material body, since it is the base of what we're made of. So I truly hope that you'll join me. Spots are a little bit limited, so there is only availability for 11 people. And again, those workshops, it's going to be a series of them. The first one starts on the 11th of January, and they're about an hour and a half long, broken up into those two portions where we discuss a little bit, then we kind of work with the energy, and then I'm sure we'll kind of discuss at the end and during. And I'll make sure that I'm facilitating everybody checking in. It'll be a small enough group where we can each have individual attention, and we can ask as many questions as we want. So I'm really excited to discover and explore and learn more about energy, more about each other, and also build community. I truly hope you'll join me on the 11th of January. And until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day. Namaste.